Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix Discord not launching or either loading continuously without even opening. First, you want to locate to your desktop and find the shortcut of your Discord, or you can find it in here, also in your taskbar, maybe if you leave it in there. All you have to do is either here in the taskbar or the shortcut on the desktop, you want to right click on it. Then you can select properties. Inside the properties, you will see this menu and you want to select compatibility. And in here, you want to make sure that the compatibility mode is not turned on, that run this program in compatibility mode is not checked. So you want to leave it unchecked like this one, then click apply and then OK. And then you should be having no problem launching Discord. If the problem still persists, you can restart your PC and try once again. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.